knowledge. Now we're going to learn how to make a basic curlicue out of 260 balloons for balloon twisting. Now the really neat thing about a curlicue is you don't have to do any twisting. All you have to do is blow it up. Now the drawback is it's very difficult to do this with a pump, so this is something that you would have to learn how to blow the balloons up with your mouth, and this is kind of the next step because it's a lot harder to blow up a balloon this way. But let me just walk you through the steps and you'll see what the end result is, and it'll be a very impressive tool for adding decor to hats and all sorts of things that you can use just to dress up the balloons that you're making. I'm going to start off by having an empty balloon. I'm going to hold it with my thumb over my two fingers, and it's just hanging there. I'm holding the bottom of the balloon with my thumb there, and then I'm going to wrap it around my finger one time, and then again is two times. And now I'm going to take the lip here and put it up to my mouth and inflate the balloon while keeping pressure on my thumb to the bottom of the balloon. I'm now going to tie it off, and the result is a curlicue, and there's nothing more that you have to do with it. It stays that way once it's inflated. It retains its shape.